Senador na magpa-interview bago at pagkatapos ng bawat sesyon. Papayagan silang gumamit ng social networking sites gaya ng Facebook at Twitter. Habang si Ombudsman Gutierrez naman, binigyan ng 10 araw para sagutin ang mga paratang laban sa kanya. At matapos matalakay yung 6 na articles of impeachment, saka palang isusunod ang botohan. Ang rules of procedure ay lalong umiinit na impeachment laban kay Gutierrez. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon kasama ang ating UH Resident Analyst Professor Winnie Bonsod. Maring Winnie, good morning.
Good morning, Arnold. Good morning. Good morning,
Ganda ng kombinasyon natin,
Oo nga, black and white, ha?
Anong masasabi mo dyan?
This follows, itong rules na in-adapt nila is really, basehan yun dun sa rules yung kay President Estrada noon. Except that yung pag-impeachment ngayon ng hindi naman presidente, wala ang Korte Suprema dyan. Ang dyan lang na nag-chair niyan is the Senate President. So the Senate President is really the chair of that whole proceedings. Para mga huwes, yung mga judges. Ngayon, ito yung talagang medyo tagilid para sa akin. Kung judges sila, dapat po, hindi po sila nagsasalita habang andyan yung trial. Hindi ba? You know, you do not make any statements. Baka dumulas ka eh. At saka kasasabi lang nila, kailangan political neutrality ito, Kailangan tayo mga senador, we must act like government employees, ethical code of conduct, that we must exercise political neutrality, no matter, wala tayong papanigan. Eh kung nagpapa-interview ka, in other words, baby, this might become a political circus na
parang
naman.
Trial by publicity na.
Hindi naman yata pwede yun.
Hindi fair kay Ombudsman.
Well, it's masama ang parang tunog para sa mga senador na nagsasalita during and after the trial.
Parang gusto
what are they going to talk about?
Parang gusto media mileage.
Exactly.
Diba? Tapos ngayon, live pa raw yan. Naku, kanya-kanya ng yan.
I have no problem with live. Because
siyempre,
I really think that the public, because this is, after all, a political process. But they should adhere to talagang strong rules of conduct. Mabuti, sinasabi, natatandaan mo, nung impeachment ni Erap, hindi ba nagalit si Senator Santiago? Nagwala siya.
May tumatawa-tawa daw. Pinaalis siya.
Nagwala siya. Ngayon, sinabi, meron siyang amendment ngayon dun sa rules. Kailangan totally quiet yung audience. Paano naman yan? Hindi ko alam kung mafa-follow niya yon. The second point that I'd like to bring up, sabi ni Senator Soto, that it's going to cost 15 million pesos.
15?
Jesus, do you realize how much that is? Do you realize that that's like 30 years of the salary of the ombudsman?
3 months lang yata yung 15 million na sinabi.
But 15 million is comparable to 30 years of a salary of a government, a high government official. Paano naman yan? I mean, why should it take that much para sa pagkain daw at saka para sa equipment?
Sandwich lang yun.
I mean, what are we talking about here? No, really, I would like to find out what that,
kung itemized.
Kasi sa kanila, 15 million, mapipitsugin lang yan eh.
Savings ng Senado ba yan? Savings yata.
Ikwento mo nga sa akin yung seso mo. Ano yung seso?
Hindi. Kasi, Maring Winnie, bukod sa impeachment...
May seso bang masarap?
Bukod sa impeachment, pag-impeach dito kay Ombudsman, dapat ang bantayan din ng taong bayan. Sino ba papalit sa kanya? Diba? Kasi ang mahalaga din yung kampanya ng... Sabi ni Pinoy kahapon, hadlang si Mercy. Sino papalit? Siya yung mag-a-appoint eh.
Mahirap na yan kung merong mga political... Hindi ba? Kaya tayo medyo suspetsosa kay Mercy Gutierrez because she's the classmate
close daw ng mga Arroyo.
Hindi pwede yun. Talagang dapat may a full search committee, and that search must be very transparent.
Kung sino siya.
So that everybody knows. Kasi ito nga ang protector of the people eh. Hindi ba? Naku, napaka-importante yan. Ay, naku, we have to...
Kasi baka ang ilagay dyan yung seso na naman. Cousin of Executive Secretary Ochoa, Seso.
Si Igan ang nag-coin yan.
Yun naman sinasabi kasi
talagang wala na itong ginawa kung hindi mag-isip ng mga ganyan.
Gobyerno kasi yung ilang mga relatives at bayaw na eh.
But let us hope that this impeachment proceedings, talagang will not be used by the politicians. Alam mo, ang isa pang kinakatakutan ko, yung parang impeachment team nila,
Bakit?
You know, these are going to be the prosecutors. Babe,
Dapat
binasa ko yung
mag-concentrate
mga names, sinasabi ko.
Ano tingin mo?
Sino ba ito?
Ay, hindi mo,
You know, I hope
mga
that
lawyer
they are
naman.
backed up. You know, two are not lawyers.
Ganon?
Yeah, Risa Barakel is not a lawyer and neither is her partner, yung Secretary General.
Prosecutor si Risa?
Daw yan eh. Andito daw.
Di ba hindi naman siya member ng House?
Impeachment team. Yeah, well, you can have an impeachment team.
Talaga nasa labas.
I don't know. But please, you know, we are, although yung sa impeachment letters, remember mga kapuso ha, this is not a criminal proceeding. Hindi pwedeng beyond reasonable doubt yan. This is really an administrative political proceeding. The only way you can take out somebody who is, yung like an ombudsman, a constitutional commission head. You know, this is not a criminal proceedings. Hindi pwedeng, you know, all the lawyers are going to come out there and mga beyond. Hindi pwede.
Hindi ito ipapako sa krus. Paalisin lang ng bahay.
Enough evidence but to convince you that talagang there is something wrong with this lady. All right? So it's not as if she's going to jail. You know, although we want her to go to jail, it's not as if she's going to jail or going to be penalized, anything. All that is going to happen if she is found guilty is she will be removed from office para talagang the ombudsman's office can start again. Okay?
Okay, at saka baka naman kaya minamadali siyang alisin, baka may gusto namang nagmamadali rin magnakaw, no? Baka...
Tama,
diba?
At saka tama, talaga mga kapuso ha, we have to watch very carefully. Hindi pwede na ang magsasucceed sa kanya is going to be another Merceditas.
May mga pangalan na ba lumulutang?
Wala pa akong alam. Pero
natin yan.
Ngayon lang meron ng search committee para
Okay.
malaman ng public na sabi, uy, magaling talaga itong taong ito. Di ba?
Gusto nga natin malaman sino ba yung nasa search committee na yan. Hanggang hindi pa lumalantad yung mga personalidad ng search committee.
Ay, nako.
Diba?
Mahirap yan.
Maring Winnie, maraming salamat po. Winnie Monson, mga igan. Unang balita na. Susunod.
Okay. Paano tayo nag-plan?
Ang mga unang balita sa umaga nito. Vice President Jejo Marbina muli nga apela sa pamahalaan ng China na huwag ituloy ang